Missing the back button on your Android phone? Don't worry, I'll show you how to bring it back in just a few simple steps. Call to action. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Explanation. Right now, you might be using gesture navigation, like swiping up to go home or swiping from the side to go back. But if you prefer the classic buttons, here's how to enable them. Steps. First, swipe up and open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Display. Now scroll again and look for Navigation bar. If you can't find it, use the search option at the top and type Navigation. Once you're there, you'll see that swipe gestures are selected. To bring back the buttons, simply tap on Buttons. Result? And just like that, your back button, home button, and recent apps button will appear at the bottom. You can also customize the button order if you want. Outro. That's it. You've successfully brought back the navigation buttons on your Android phone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.